Welcome to Baksa Mathematics. So we are going to solve equations by using the quadratic formula. So our first question is x squared equal 3x minus 9. Now in order to put this in standard form, we need to put them together. So we bring these two values this side. That means the signs of here and here are going to change. So it's going to be x squared minus 3x plus 9 equal 0. Since if these two numbers go outside, the signs are going to change, alright? So our a value here is 1. See, it's a 1. Our b value is negative 3. And then our c value is plus 9. It's ax squared plus or minus b x plus c. So this is c value, b value, a value. Alright, so we are now going to use the formula to solve the question. So this formula, minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a times 2a. Right, that's our formula. So it's going to be x equal, now we have to insert the a and b and c values onto the formula. So it's going to be, since it's negative and then the b value is negative, it's give us a positive sign here, plus or minus square root negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. You see, negative 3 for here, 9 there, and then the 1 is next to the x value, all by 2 times 1. Alright, now we need to solve here first. So it's gonna be x equal positive 3. Since a negative gives us a positive value, so it's gonna be plus 3 plus or minus square root negative 27, all divided by 2. Now if there's a negative value in the square, it's irrational and can't be squared, so there's no solution. Therefore our answer is x equal plus 3 plus or minus square root negative 27, all divided by 2. And this is our answer. Because here it's a negative value and there's no solution. You can't square a negative number. Only a positive number can be squared. And if it's perfect, if it's a perfect number, then it can be squared. A perfect positive number, then it can be squared. So our next question here is 2 open brackets x plus 1 squared minus 5 equals 0. Now it's important to solve the brackets first. 2x plus 1 x plus 1. Since it's squared means there are two of these, alright, minus 5 equals 0, alright. So we're going to FOIL and factorize here. So it's going to be 2. We now solve these two equations. X times x is x squared. X times 1x. X times 1 is 1x. 1 times 1x is 2. So that's 2x. 1 times 1 is 1. Close brackets. Negative 5 equals 0. Now we say 2 times x squared, 2 times 2x, 2 times 1. And then we carry on from there. So we are going to solve. It's going to be 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. Since 2 times 1 is 2, alright? Negative 5 equal 0. So plus 2 minus 5 gives us a negative 3. So it's 2x squared plus 4x squared x plus 4x negative 3 equals 0. So our a value is 2. B value is 4. C is negative 3. Now we insert the formula of the quadratic formula. It's x minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac. 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. So we now insert the a and b and c values into the formula. So it's going to be negative 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times 2. Since the a value is 2 and then the c value is negative 3, alright, all divided by 2a, alright. So once that is solved, like out of space, so I'm gonna just write of the answers here. We're gonna wait to the side. X equal negative 4 plus or minus 40. And by the way, 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3 gives us an answer of 40. Alright, so mistake here. So it's gonna be x minus 4 plus. We're gonna now use the plus and minus sign. So it's going to be x equal negative 4 plus, only plus 40 divided by 4. Then our answer here is 0.58 for this one. And then solve for the minus sign. X equal negative 4 negative 40 divided by 4. And then our answer here is negative 2.58. That's how we solve it. Now on to our third question. Now we see that these are fractions. So what we need to find first is the LCD. alright? And the LCD here is x and x plus 2. So we can write here that our LCD x and then x plus 2. That's our LCD. Now we solve the equation by times in the times the LCD. So it's going to be 10x times the LCD, and the LCD is here, alright? So we take this whole sum times the denominator, and then here 3x, right? The equation is 10. LCD here is x and x plus 2. From there we times the denominator times LCD, alright? So x is x and x by the LCD, so they both cancel out, so we can remain the 10 times x plus 2, and then for here this x plus 2 and x plus 2 by the LCD both cancels out, so it's 3x times x. Then for 7, the 1 times the LCD still remains the same, so 7 times the whole LCD, 7 times x brackets x plus 2, alright? And then here's how we do it. 10 times x is 10x, 10 times 2 is 20, 3x times x is 3x squared. So it's going to be 10x plus 20 plus 3x squared equals 7x times x plus 2. Since we first solved these two first, then these two goes from here to here, alright? So it's going to be 10x plus 20 plus 3x squared equal 7x squared plus 14. We put the sum in standard form. So it's 3x plus 10x plus 20. And then here it's 7x squared plus 14x. From there, we bring this equation that side and we solve, alright? So it's negative 4x squared, negative 4x plus 20 equals 0. So our A, and you must always remember that the x value has to always be a positive. It can't be a negative value. So we're gonna say times by negative 1. On all of it. Yeah. So it's 4x squared plus 4x minus 20 equals 0. Alright. From there, our A value is 4. Our B value is 4. Our C value is negative 20. And then we insert the quadratic formula. So it's x negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c, all under 2 times a. And then we insert the a and b values into this formula. So it's going to be x equal negative 4 plus or minus square root 4 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 20. 4 times 4 times negative 20, all divided by 2 times 4, which is 8. Alright, so from there you're gonna say -4 plus, and then we need the final answer of the sum, the square root, which is 336. So -4 plus square root 336 over 8. This value 2 times 4 is 8, so it's 8 here. And then so it's -4 plus 336 divided by 8 is going to give us an answer of 1,79. Alright, that's for the plus sign. You see, this is our answer, 1,79. And then for the negative sign, it's going to be x equal -4 -336 all divided by 8. And then our final x value is -2,79. And that's how we solve equation. And the marks for this equation is probably 6 to 7 marks for this whole equation. And then for other questions like this one, it's probably 5 marks. And then this one, 5 marks as well. Enjoy maths, practice maths from Baksa Mathematics Academy.